Okay, what all the things we haven't tried, guys? We have built a gaming PC under 20,000 rupees. We had played GTA 5 on a basic smartphone, but today we're gonna try playing the PSP games on a smartphone. So I downloaded some games and pasted it into this little SD card, and I'm going to actually use my tab instead of my phone because lot of you guys are asking me that you can only play games with a good smartphone, but this little tab just has about 1 gigs of RAM. So I just copied down the games from the SD card to my internal storage of this tab. Now I'm going to try to install PPSSPP emulator.
12 seconds later.
So finally, the PPSSPP doesn't work on my tab, but I installed the PSP Sunshine. You can install the PPSSPP if your phone is around like Android 5 plus. This tab is just like Android 4. So I just installed this on my tab. As you can see, there are plenty of games over here. If you too want to play the PSP games on your phone, just install the PSP emulator on your phone from Play Store. Then you have to go to the Chrome and search for PSP ROMs ISO 5. You get some games. Some games are around 1 GB and some are like 150 MB. Like the NFS Most Wanted is 150 MB and after extract it is around 850 MB. Pretty cool. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And this is Asthik signing out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.